Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pindo. They also call me Tips with Dave. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at the results for my affiliate marketing journey in the month of March 2024. So let's go ahead and jump onto my screen. I'm really excited to share with you each and everything that I've been doing so that it's openly documented on this channel. Let's hop onto my computer and I will share with you some more. Here I am, guys. And before I go ahead and share with you the exact strategy, what I'm going through, and like basically the results and everything else, I want to welcome you back to the channel. If you're here and you're coming back and watching these videos on a monthly basis, I post these results every single month, and I've been doing it for the last year, and I will continuously do it so that you guys see the development of the journey of affiliate marketing. It's not going to happen overnight, guys. You do need to put in the work. You do need to put in the skill sets. And everything that I share with you transparently on this channel, those are my results and my results alone. I cannot guarantee you those same results, or even you might be getting better results or not that good results. Either which ways, I'm here to share with you what is working for me personally, and I hope this is bringing value and education to yourself. Now, I do have a full-time job. This is a side hustle, and it is working for me. I love affiliate marketing for two specific reasons. One is that it is giving you the skill sets that's needed for any kind of marketing, whether it's digital marketing or physical products or whatever it is, you are still getting the marketing skill sets for your journey. And the second reason why I love it is that I do leverage my time, and I'm able to do this with about an hour every single day. So if that's interesting for you and you want to follow this two-step method that I have a course in the description of this video for you where I go through all the details, all the specifics of how to not just get started and maybe get unstuck from where you're at, but also improve in your journey as we go along. So make sure you do check that out if it's interesting for you, but I'm going to jump into my entire strategy and share with you everything else. So step one is focused on cash flow. And this is the step that's generating me right now the most amount of results. And then step two is a long-term asset builder, which basically means that I'm building an email list so that I can now create a community, grow my relationship with my list. And that's going to take some time. The thing is, most people start off, guys, with sharing step number two, and they don't talk about step one because it is focused on advertising and the two skill sets that's needed with affiliate marketing: advertising and copywriting. And a lot of people start with advertising, specifically free advertising, and that's great, perfect. You can do that. And I recommend you to do that if you're not sure of where to get started, because always building a community for yourself through social media is a great place to start. However, I personally have had my successes, I've had my failures online, and I personally decided to go into the paid advertising route. So I created step one. First and foremost, to get those results, I didn't want to go into my pocket every single month and pay for advertising. So step one was I need to generate a cash flow with the least amount of, let's put it this way, least amount of expenditure, and be able to continuously generate results consistently, almost scientifically or strategically, so that I'm able to then invest those funds that I earn, or those commissions that I earn, into advertising that builds my long-term sustainable business. So that's how I'm building a quality email list. I'm building a quality asset for myself for the long term. Okay, this is something that's really important. And over time, you are going to improve on your skills. For example, you're going to improve on your copy, which is going to help you with your conversions, or you're going to improve on your advertising method or increase your advertising so that then you can focus on conversions itself. The beauty of conversions, which a lot of people don't talk about, is that you can have the same amount of advertising going to your platform, or going to your funnel, but if you focus on conversions and copywriting, you can double and triple and basically grow that income periodically every single month. And that's what your aim should be at the end of the day, right? So this is personally what I'm doing on a daily basis. And yes, I got started. Yes, I was my own case study. I did this whole formula for a year before I actually created the course that you can find in the description of this video. And it gives you an idea of what it takes. So the first few months, I just focused on step one, and then the months after that, I focused on step two. And this is kind of the culmination of both those things together, right? So let me go ahead and share with you the results. I primarily use an advertising source, which cost me, this entire strategy cost me $30 a month to maintain. Yes, that's what I said, $30 per month to maintain. And I'm just driving traffic and continuously growing it as we go along. Now, I'm going to show you guys the progression of my journey in this last year. But more than anything else, I wanted to mention that I do use two affiliate networks right now. One is Warrior Plus and the other one is ClickBank. So if you're researching about Warrior Plus, if you're researching about ClickBank, this is a strategy that's applicable to both of them if you want. Now, let me go ahead and jump on my Warrior Plus so I can share with you my monthly results. Okay, guys, we're in the month of April, and you guys can see already for the last month, which is the month of March, I made $620 in commissions. Now, I want to share my journey very transparently, so that there's one thing that I want to focus on while sharing my results with Warrior Plus, which is a different thing. This is the first month that I received this kind of feedback, so I want to share that feedback with you guys as well. There are two things that we can, one specific thing that we can control as marketers, and that is the flow of the journey. You're not actually getting a customer to purchase. What we're doing is we're giving the best buying opportunity for the customer to purchase that product or service, which is we are an affiliate for, right? So this is what we're doing. That's the most we can control. What we can't control is after that, if there are any refunds about it or stuff like that, but we're affiliates. So the good thing about being an affiliate marketer is you don't have to deal with the refunds yourself. You are dealing it with, you are maybe experiencing it through the platforms like Warrior Plus, like ClickBank, and so on and so forth, but you're not dealing with the customer yourself. And that's the advantage of being an affiliate marketer, right? So I want to make sure that you understand that I did get $620 in commissions. However, I did get, for the first month ever, I got some refunds as well in the last month of March. So I'm going to share with you that transparently so that we see, what's the journey like and how's it going, so that when I give you the sales report and share with you the results right now, you'll understand what I mean by net profit or gross earnings as well. Okay, so let's go to January 2023 till April. Well, let's put it to March because we want to see March, right? And you can see right here, guys, when I got started with the strategy, I got started in the month end of I think beginning of March, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, in March I got my first result of $98, and then it went progressively up, and then it goes up and down. Obviously, it's not going to go steadily up, right? The commissions, the conversions, everything depend on the leads that you're getting. And this you can see was generating me until the end of last year. About the maximum I made was 400, but it was averaging around $250 to $300 every single month. Now, if you want to see the results of this, I have it on my channel already. You just need to, check the playlist below. I have everything documented in terms of the strategy as well. And then this year, because I changed a few things at the end of the year, basically I focused a little bit more on my winning emails. I focused a little bit more on my conversions of my sales funnel and so on and so forth. I started to get better results. So January I made $500, February I made $500, and this month I made technically gross earnings of $620. However, my commissions were $463. I just wanted to share this very openly. Why? Because I did get some refunds. Okay, I did get some refunds with specifically one product. So that also gives me an understanding. Do I want to continue with this product? Do I still want to have it in my strategy or not? It gives me good earnings, but should I have it in my strategy or not? So those are the questions that you have to ask yourself, and be flexible enough to have those changes available. Now, just that being said, I also want to mention that I personally only share products that I own. Okay, so these are products that I have purchased myself. I use them myself. I do not share with anybody any products that I do not own. That's 100% something that I just want to make very clear to everybody who's watching this video. Okay, so every single profit that I've earned is on products that I personally own myself, and I get not 100% commissions, but about 50 to 75% commissions on when I do share that product with somebody else and they decide to buy it. That's our job as an affiliate marketer. We can only recommend products or services to other people, and then we can generate an income that way. Okay, let me just take it for this month. We will go to my transactions, and I want to show you kind of maybe the difference in March between the two steps, right? We have two steps right here. So let's just look at the first step, and the first step includes with MLGS, which is mileage and secret, that I use as my main let's say catalyst for everything that I do. And you can see that it earned me, let me just go, sorry, let me just go not to April, but let's just go from first of last month. So we'll go to March, and we will do MLGS. and we will search, and you can see it earned me $377 in commissions and $737 in sales. Okay, so this has been a good month. On to be honest, 32 commissions is quite 32 items sold basically is quite good for the month, and it's been very pretty consistent, almost on a daily basis. Not every single day, but almost on a daily basis. I've got a sale pretty much for the month of March, and you can see that I've earned around $377.67. Now I said this is my results. These are not typical results. Your results would definitely vary, but this is the possibility. So just keep that number in mind. And totally for the month of March, it's 463. So let's just take this, and I want to see the difference, right? Minus 377.67. That was what we earned. So the difference is basically through my entire step 2, I earned only $86.32. This is what came from step 2, which means my entire sales process and my emails. Now, definitely it can be better. And this is now something that I'm going to be focusing on for the rest of the year. Step 2, and how to improve those conversions so that this number starts to at least take the same amount. Imagine if I'm earning the same amount from or more from step 2, which is what the aim is, then that will be more than $1,000 a month just by doing specifically this, right? I'm not changing anything. I'm just following the same strategy and at the same time doubling my income this way. So that's the aim, that's the goal. You will have conversions that are different. As I said, I made this in the last month, which is not a lot of money, as you guys can see, but at least it is something that is consistently coming in. Okay, so that's to take into consideration what I have earned so far, 463 in commissions. And I said 463 in commissions, and you can see the sales price is more just because of the fact, if I scroll down here, you'll see that there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 refunds that I had in the last month. So technically I would have made much more than 600 because these are 100% commission. So I think I would be earning around $41 here. So let's just say 40 into 3, which would be already $120 plus another $30 basically that would have come in, so around $150 more than what I have earned so far. So it would be around $620 basically that I would actually earn, but because of everything and the 5 refunds, I earned less than $500 last month. Okay, so just I hope this is clear and this is understandable. So let's just put this number into place. That's what we earn from Warrior Plus. And what I'm going to do is I'm also gonna add the amount that I earned from ClickBank. And actually, let me just go to ClickBank. As you guys can see right here, this is my ClickBank, and I earned for the last month of March $57. Now, I didn't make any initial sales in ClickBank last month. I was actually not focused on that. I was focused on Warrior Plus, so I didn't make any initial sales. But what this earnings came from rebuilds. Rebuilds are basically recurring income. So when somebody has purchased the product once, and this is maybe the third month that they are buying or they're keeping the product that I've shared with them on ClickBank. So now I've got $57.74 from that. So let's add that there. And then I'm just going to go to system.io as well. Let me just go to system.io because it is the tool that I use. And guys, everything, all of this tool is all in my description. Basically in the course, you'll find everything that's there. So the tool that I use is System.io, and I am an affiliate also for System.io on certain products and services. So let's just look in March how it was, and I want to see exactly what I earned. So I earned $4 in commissions, $4.20 in commissions for the month of March in System.io. So I will just do that, $4.20, just one commission. The previous month I actually had much more. Let me show you guys the nice commission that came in, and this is a yearly commission that came in February, which is 122 is what I earned in System.io last on as an affiliate, right? But in March it was just $4.20. And lastly, let me now go to my Legion secrets, and I will log in there. Just give me a second. All right, guys. So I'm logged into my Legion secrets, and I'm in the commissions tab now. I've just zoomed in so that we don't, we respect everybody's privacy. I don't want to show you guys anybody's email addresses, but let's just count the commissions that I earned in the month of March. So you got 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, 12 commissions totally in the month of March, out of which 11 were $5 commissions, and I had one $4 commission. So that means a total of 11.55.59. Okay, plus $59. That would be the total amount, which means it is what I earned totally within this month of March is $584.93, right? Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to also going to minus $30, which is my cost for maintaining my Legion secrets. It costs you $30 every single month to maintain. So that's my cost, which I maintain and I use and I spend. So that I minus that, and it's around $554 of almost $555 for the month of March, guys. So this quarter has ended. The first quarter, the first 3 months of the year has ended with $500 plus every single month, despite everything else. So this consistency, if you think about it, can you be able to receive that? What would an extra $500 per month do for you? That's how I think about it, okay? And this strategy is proving to be just consistent, and I leverage the amount that I'm earning to be able to now build my email list. At the same time, just for us to be transparent over here, I'm going to go to system.io and show you that I generated in the last month of March, and let's just go to last month of March so that you guys can see. I generated 291 leads in the month of March, and I made about 21 euros worth of sales. Now this I'm not counting in my affiliate commissions because this is for my course itself. It's a €1 course, guys. So it's just, 21 sales, which is quite good to have, and I'm progressing on a very steady base. But the main thing is that I have now 291 new leads every single month. So around 300 basically leads every single month is what I'm getting. And now my aim is to help improve that conversion rate of those leads that are coming in. As you guys have seen before, I did not get the best conversion rate the last month, but that's all right. We can always go back to our emails, go back to the campaign and improve that campaign and improve that campaign and grow that relationship with your leads, which is the key element that I personally focus on. So I hope that gave you an idea. This is everything combined. The total profit at the end of the month was $554.93. Guys, if you're interested in this strategy, if you want to know more, if you want to work with me one-on-one as well, then feel free to get in the course. I will see you on the inside, and I do give you also help in my Facebook group in case you're interested. I hope this video was educational. I hope it gave you an understanding of what I'm doing on a daily basis. It does take skills. I really honestly focus on email copy, and just I'm making sure that I have continuous advertising running. The more I have continuous advertising running, the more data I have to be able to improve on my conversions, okay? So we're looking at this long term. It's not short term. It's going to take you time. It's going to take you effort, but is it worth it or not for you? That's a decision that you need to make. Guys, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and the bell notification if you haven't already. And I'm going to see you next month for another update on how the month of April was. And in the meantime, guys, every single week I do post 3 times a week. So make sure that you do hit that bell notification so you get notified every single time I put out a new video. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I'm going to see you on the next one.